Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have one of my favorites, 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Resto Mod car. Beautiful Viper red paint, white rally stripes, sitting on these gorgeous rims that we're gonna zoom in and go over in a little bit. As you can see, my 72 is a convertible. It's been built in the Midwest here, from what I heard from a famous football player. We finally got the car in our possession and we are so proud to put this on the market. I've been driving this car yesterday and the day before, had a lot of fun with it, and wait till I show you what's underneath the hood and what's underneath the car itself, and gorgeous parchment white interior. As you can see all around the car, the stance, that's the first thing that I want to show you guys. I'm not going to do that long of a video because it is 100 degrees out here, but the body lines are really nice on the car. Look at this paint reflection. Gorgeous factory original sheet metal on the car. Boyds setup. You got your Wilwood four-wheel cross brakes on all sides. You got modern suspension underneath the car. And bam, listen, when I pop this hood, LS3 boys, with air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, super clean engine compartment, guys. With the hood pins, okay? And the cowl induction hood that does function. Door lips are excellent. Underneath this car is freaking gorgeous. Check out my photos. And you can also check out the trunk, which has the original sheet metal stampings from GM. Tilt wheel as well, SS gauge package, aftermarket package there, kick panel in the speakers for the Bluetooth radio. Again, fuel injected, boys. Just turn the key. Pop the air on. Interior is excellent. Full frame off restoration. My pre-delivery inspection report. Everything works, okay? 4,254 3 miles on the car since the restoration has been completed. Let's mount this camera. Let's go for a ride. Radio works. This car is gorgeous, guys. It drives like a brand new car with this modern suspension. It's got a 5-speed manual transmission, 12-bolt rear end with 373 gear ratio. This thing moves. And guys, everything works on my Chevelle, even the clock. Sometimes the clock works, sometimes it doesn't, but these are old cars. But this one has been gone through and restored. Horn functions, wipers, all that good stuff. Anybody that buys this car is going to be very, very impressed with it. No doubt at all, guys. Air conditioning blows cold. Power steering works excellent. You got tilt wheel, bucket seats, console. I mean, there's nothing else that you can do to this car. I mean, you can put power windows in it if you want. It's up to you. I'm taking this baby home tonight for the weekend again. This thing is too nice. I don't come across too many of these like this, that everything functions. So I'm gonna enjoy my time, and I suggest you guys buy the right car and enjoy your money. It's a great tangible asset. We are located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois, 60101. You guys want to fly in? Not a problem. We're 20 minutes from Chicago O'Hare Airport. I'm 45 minutes from Midway Airport. Come on through. Man, the suspension on this thing is awesome. Look at this. I went around that at 50 miles an hour. Wow. Everything you see in my video is exactly what you're going to get. Also in my photos. I'm not hiding nothing, not trying to hide nothing. Car's got a power top as well. Trunk is solid. You got to push in the clutch all the way, Tom. Anyway, if you don't need financing, call me, text me, 847-848-1850. Send me your zip code. We offer drive-away delivery, fully insured for the purchase price of the vehicle now, right to your doorstep. If you need financing, and if your credit score is between 625 and 725, go to mgmclassiccars.com, fill out the application. If your credit score is 725 and higher, go to lightstream.com, fill out the application there. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. You'll see what I got coming tomorrow. Super nice. Click the bottom right-hand button for that. It's on the right bottom of your screen in red. If you guys are watching on Facebook, like it and share it to your friends. Show them what you're looking to buy, guys. This is it. This is what you want right here. Guys, tangible asset. Spend some of your money or finance at low rates. Life is short. Enjoy it. My name's Thomas. I can be reached at 847-848-1850. I do prefer text message. I will get back to you guys quicker. But if you don't do text messaging, leave me a voicemail after the tone. Thanks for watching. mgmclassiccars.com.